Good morning, everybody. Myself, Dr. Mrs. Damini Motwani, Assistant Professor, Department of Biochemistry, Dada Ramchand Bakru Sindhu Mahavidyalaya, Pachpavli, Nagpur. Today I am going to speak on the topic immune system. Now, immune system, it is a functional system. It is not an organ system. It is a complex system consisting of skin, mucous membrane, secretion, blood cells, complement proteins, lymphoid organs, lymphoid cells, and it consists of most tissues which are resistant to immune cells. Immunity. Immunity, it is a body's ability to resist or eliminate potentially harmful foreign material or abnormal cell. Immunity, it consists of, or it helps us in defense against invading pathogens such as viruses, bacteria, fungus, etc. It helps in removal of dead cells, identification and destruction of mutant cells, rejection of foreign cells, etc. These are the examples of pathogens which take entry inside the body. Now, when we talk about immune system is broadly classified into two classes, innate and adaptive. Innate, it is also known as non-specific as well as first line of defense, and adaptive, it is known as specific and second line of defense. Now, these are the responses which are shown by innate as well as acquired immunity. When we talk about innate immunity, it shows a rapid type of response against broad range of pathogens. And acquired type of immunity, it shows a specific type of response and slower response. When we talk of innate immunity, it has external defenses such as skin, mucous membrane, secretion, internal defenses such as phagocytic cells, antimicrobial cells, etc. Acquired immunity, it shows two types of responses, that is humoral and cell-mediated responses. Humoral responses are shown by antibodies, and cell-mediated responses it is shown by T cells such as Th, that is T helper cell, and C cytotoxic cell. Innate immunity versus adaptive immunity. Innate immunity, it has no time lag, and adaptive immunity, it has a lag period. Innate immunity, it is not antigen specific, and adaptive immunity is antigen specific. Innate immunity do not have memory, and acquired immunity, it has memory. Innate, if we talk about these are the external defense mechanisms of innate immunity: skin, mucous membrane, secretion such as tears. And if we talk about anatomic barrier chemical factors, sweat plays an important role. The acidity of the stomach, that is HCl, hydrochloric acid, which is present in the stomach, lymphatic tissue such as tears, saliva, etc. Blood also has important role in innate type of immunity. When we talk about blood, it consists of plasma, RBCs. These plasma contains immune proteins, that is complement protein, coagulation protein, cytokines, etc. Thank you.